Welcome to Expect Best. We specialize in providing web design, digital marketing, hosting and a ton of other digital solutions. Our experts offer a complete package to meet all your digital needs. And with over 400 happy customers, we've proven ourselves at crafting amazing digital products and services. If you're ready to elevate your brand online with a team that's as passionate as you, Expect Best can help.
How do you work out your SEO budget? Think about what you want to generate from your website over a year. Let's consider generating £200,000. Now, your budget needs to be in proportion. This means you need to start a monthly campaign. But £400 a month won't cut it, as this will never generate £200,000. If you want to generate anywhere near this from sales and leads, you need to invest at least 10 to 15% of your target revenue into SEOs. So £1,600 to £2,500 a month. Many businesses need to be much more realistic about their level of investment in SEOs, as it's their biggest point of failure.
At Expect Best, we pride ourselves on delivering a range of online solutions which are tailored to helping businesses generate more leads, more sales, and more exposure. Regardless of your business needs, our professionals are equipped to boost your brand's online presence and will cater to any requirements. We take great pride in having served over 400 satisfied customers, and we've provided customized solutions for each client, with no obligations. Our creative team are committed to turning your digital ideas into a reality. So, for any inquiry, be it a minor or a major project, please feel free to get in touch via our website, or you can call our number on 01202 237 027. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it helps.